everyone, I'm Dr. Sneha and welcome back to Periohub. So the festivity seasons are on and wishing you a very happy Diwali. Hope you have a lovely green cracker-free Diwali this year. Stay safe, stay indoors, stay with your family and enjoy at home. And also a few days back we hit the 2K subscriber mark. So thank you so much for your support. And thank you for taking out time and watching the videos, liking it and also sharing your comments and suggestions. It really helps us grow this channel from strength to strength. So again, wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay home and light your space.